Yeah, welcome back. I'm still cutting here, but I'm done. This is the last veg that I'm cutting, which is carrots. Okay. Portuguese. Bit of salut. So as you see, I'm done right here with these veggies. This needs to be washed. So I gotta put it there, the zinc. And then let's come back here. Make sure that the floor always clean. Then wash my hands. Okay, I've washed my hands. This is there. La la la. Okay, I'm just washing up the head net coming through right now. Ooh. Where's my lemon? Okay. The reason I always use lemon, almost everything that I cook, lemon gives each single meal its own taste. Like create, I don't know how I can put it. It makes it be somehow. Okay, so I'm just mixing up the spicy. Okay, so we're done here. So be back right now.